Today we about to go for a little nighttime drive. Rushing to the gym. It's probably super windy here now. Get a little cool start for y'all. Alright, what's good, YouTube? What's good? I had work earlier and stuff, so I was already driving. The car's pretty warm. I think the angle's good. Tint dark as hell, per usual. What's good, YouTube? We back with another POV. Yeah, this time we got a night POV. I don't know how well you can see everything, but yeah, we about to just go to the gym again, do a little gym drive. Hopefully traffic's not as bad at it right now as it was last video, so I could actually, drive a little bit. But yeah, I think today's gonna be a little chest try day. Yesterday was back by. Damn. Yeah, a couple hours ago on Snap, I just seen someone drive through a 7-Eleven, like close to my house. So I don't know what's up with people today, but that's looking crazy. They drove through the straight front door of the 7-Eleven, as if like they had drive-through service inside or something. That shit look crazy. I seen it like on 4 different people's snaps. Hey, thoughts on Playboy Cardi album though? Like on a real note. At first, I was listening to it and I was listening to it on my way to work. I think that shit was like, I was like, this shit ass. Blacked out. That Civic was pretty clean, the white one. Tinted out pretty good. I really want to put a diffuser on my, I still have the urge to put stuff on my car. But I just know it's not worth it. Oh well. That shit fucked up. La Benzo. La Benzo, La Benzo. Pretty clean. Not too much talking today. I don't know. I don't really have much to talk about. Still looking at the Beamers. Me and Memo were just looking at some in the Discord, and bruh, orange guts, like insane, It looks so good on the 540. Like I need it, bro. Thought that was a cop in the parking lot for a sec, but it wasn't. Alright, we made it. Calm drive, wasn't nothing crazy. Hey, front row parking though. Stop playing. Alright, YouTube. I'll catch y'all in a bit. Alright, what's good? We back from the workout. Got a pretty decent workout in, you know. It was low-key rush though. Like low-key rush because like before, when I used to be on the gym ground, I used to pull up like low-key pretty late. I'd be here till like 11 sometimes. They had like a little sign there that said they close at 10. So I had to squeeze in my workout in like a little hour, but it's all good. I still feel like I got a pretty good workout in. I'll be sore tomorrow for sure. Might even just put some music over this, honestly. I don't know. What the fuck? It started raining? What the fuck? Unless this guy just got a car wash or something. Uh-oh. So we'll see what the plan is tomorrow. I don't know. I low-key don't think I'm gonna record tomorrow. Probably hanging out with my lady. Hopefully getting some new shoes. Both of us, matter of fact. These like Nike runners are like low-key are so fire. I've been seeing them. They look comfy too. Like, they'd be good for the gym. I can use them for work. Like, so we might both get some pairs of those. Don't know what color yet though, but we'll see. If I end up copping them, I'll probably show you guys. Fuck it. Chick-fil-A. Oh, I gotta eat something good when I get home. Maybe a bowl of cereal too, probably. To max out the calories. We're hopping on the grind. hopping on the grind. Everything. Where I'm locking in academically, I'm locking in financially, hopefully, like work wise, like I'm locking content wise, gym, bro, like everything. We just gotta go up from there. Like, as long as you put like your mind to all the positive things and all the positive energy that you're doing, trying to like, I don't know, just better yourself in a way, like in every way, then like you're destined to go up. I feel like that's just the steps. It'll all line up perfect. That's a clean beamer up there. I wonder what it is. We'll see. What is it? Oh, E92. Pretty clean. Simple. I love this car. For a first car, like, who can complain? Fresh out of high school, not too crazy on money. Like, it's nothing crazy to maintain. Really good. That will be it for the video, most likely. I don't know. I didn't really do much talking in this vid. I don't know. It probably gets nighttime too. More just vibes. Appreciate y'all for watching, for real. Like I said, everything's gonna go up from here. Like, if I stay on the grind, everything will go up. It has to. And, bring y'all on the journey with me. So I appreciate y'all for watching. Hope y'all have a good night, good morning, good whatever it is. And enjoy the rest of your day time. Peace out, y'all.